What's up, YouTube? Luke, I am your father.
Anthony, I am your father. So, what's the best way to patch your exhaust system? Well, I will tell you this. All that stuff that they sell at the parts stores, don't waste your afternoon, don't waste your time. That is so temporary, like toilet paper. Because the exhaust system is under constant temperature changes, vibrations, heat, and pressure from the exhaust system, there's really nothing that holds it together. I've seen beer cans, soda cans, tape, casting material, muffler mud, fiberglass, hose clamps, wire, you name it, that shit doesn't work. If you really want to patch your exhaust system, and I'll just give you for an example. This was just a straight section here, right? You had a rotten spot. You're gonna cut that out, and then you're gonna find a piece of tubing that fits very tight over or inside. It has to be very tight. And then you can clamp it together, and that will work. I've seen people get too big of material or too small material and try and clamp it together. Will not hold up. It has to be very tight on the inside diameter, or if you're going over on the outside of the diameter, almost to the point where you want to be able to tap it on with a hammer on both sides, or slide it on really tight, and then use muffler clamps. That's probably the easiest one, but the problem is getting the exact size you need from your parts store is almost impossible. But if you go to your local exhaust shop, you show them what you need, they should be able to make it up. Well, you would think. I mean, there's Meineke shops out here that don't have guys that can do exhaust, so I don't know. But if you do that, that's your best way to patch your exhaust. Second method would be, so we'll consider this a patch section where we're replacing a flex pipe, a piece of pipe, and a rear converter. You're gonna make that all up out of adapters, and what I mean by going on inside is just like this. So that's inside diameter, inside the existing pipe. Now there's a little bit of a gap there. That's no problem for me because I'm not clamping it. We are gonna weld that. Welding is your strongest and most reliable repair. Most people don't have access to welders, and it's not worth spending $600, $800, $400, $500, whatever the case may be. If you don't know how to weld or have the equipment to do it, you're better off just taking it to your muffler shop, if you have one, and be sure that it's an exhaust shop, not the guys that are just bolting on systems. The guys that actually can fabricate, weld, and repair and make parts, and that's going to be your most affordable solution when it comes to patching your exhaust. But all that stuff they sell at the parts stores, don't waste your time, because that's all you're doing is wasting your time. You may think that you did a great job and gave yourself a pat on the back and your car's quiet, yeah, until next week, until it falls apart again. Thanks for watching.